Everybody, we're going to be talking about human resources and strategic planning today. My name is Jamie Lara. So, what are the responsibilities of human resource management? They're responsible for the staffing area, development, the workplace policy, compensation and benefits administration, retention of employees, training and development of employees, dealing with loss affecting the company, workers' protection. In addition, they have to have good communication skills, so because they're responsible frontline for these stuff that may be changing in the company, and have awareness for external factors, all of which complement the company's mission and supports human capital. So what is human capital? Human capital is really the people who work for your company, right? So how does the company make money? People work for the company, they make profit, and so the people that work there, they're your human capital. So HRM strategies are important to make. People are not equipment. Equipment, you can easily fix them with a procedure to fix the problem or with new technology. Working with people can present many challenges and unprecedented needs for change. It is necessary that an organization can take proper steps in hiring the right people to do the job while making sure that they stay once they invest in those people and their new skills. The organization really depends on the HRM measures to know what upcoming challenges may be faced and how they can face those challenges in regards of employees and new policies and retention of people. This is some of the information on strategy and how HRM needs to complement the company's mission and objectives and values in order for them to come up with their own strategies. Is very important because they're working ultimately for the organization, right, and make new adjustment for their department. So some of their strategy to assist the organization is to determine human resource needs, determine recruiting strategies, select employees, develop training, determine compensation, and appraise performance. So they really decide how many people the company needs and how to make sure we get the right people. Strategy resources is like a SWOT analysis. It's a little bit less of writing and more of a picture. You can take a look. So what is the importance of human resource planning in HR function? HR have such a function in hiring people, maintain the multiculturalism and diversity that people are giving an equal opportunity of benefits and loss. Employee safety guidance and policies are implemented and followed through, and that employees, good employees stays in the organization. So the HR function will not be prepared to plan for the organization needs and handle upcoming challenges if the HRM strategy is not created. So this is thank you guys for listening to me, and this is a reference page for what I used to create this PowerPoint. Thank you.